Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to enter safe mode in Windows 11 step by step. I will also show you the easy steps. So let's get started. So firstly, op open system configuration, press Windows plus R to open run. Here you will type msconfig, then press enter. The system configuration window will open. Now click on the boot tab. Here you will see, click on it. Under boot options, then select safe boot, then select minimal for normal, safe mode or network if you need internet access. Click apply and then OK. So after this, Windows will now ask you to restart your computer. Then you will restart your computer. After restarting, your PC will automatically open in safe mode. So that's it. This is how you can enter safe mode in Windows 11 and also check the. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.